Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing the apps. So let's start with the remove cache. So we have to open the settings. Right here, let's go and find apps, and then tap on see all apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and what I highly recommend to do here is to simply enter all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So basically just tap on the app, then go to storage and cache, and here we've got the cache. So just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. So as I said, go through all of those apps, and thanks to which you will release some memory. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading quite a lot of stuff and then we completely forget about it, but obviously it is still saved and it is occupying the memory. So in that case, I highly recommend to simply scroll and open the list of all apps and try to find the files in which you will have the where are the files? They are right here. So just find the files. It doesn't matter whether you're using the one provided by Google or any kind of third-party option. For sure, you will have the section which is called Downloads, as you can see right here. So just enter this section and check for the files which are, for example, duplicated, or those which are quite large and which you don't really need. And remove them, thanks to which you will obviously release some memory. And the last tip, I will simply tell you about it. I will draw your attention to that option. I will not show you the whole operation because we've got a separate video and that will show you it. So I highly recommend to consider the backup, thanks to which you will be able to save your files like photos and videos, and of course other stuff like documents too, in the completely other space, like for example the Google Drive, like OneDrive, I believe, Dropbox, whatever platform you'd like to use, thanks to which you will be able to remove them from the internal storage of your phone and then release some memory without the need to remove apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.